First of all, Mark, it's a thrill. It's a pleasure to be here in Bologna at the Autopromotec show. Great to be back in person and live. And we just heard a panel discussion about right to repair. And as your U.S. Constituents know, that's been a very hot topic for us for the past 20 years, basically. And it is a global issue for our entire automotive repair community. We are here in Bologna at the Autopromotec show, promoting and participating in an international right to repair panel. Our battle remains consistent against the automaker, and that is they throw a tremendous amount of money, they throw a tremendous amount of lobbyists, and they also know the value of that data that they are capturing at the point of the vehicle. So it's incumbent upon us as an industry, not only in the United States but globally, to be aware of the issue and to involve the entire industry on all sides of the globe to combat this the behavior, and for us to have the access to the data that we so desperately need to repair and maintain those vehicles.